action.
Action.
Good morning. It is 2017 and I will be showing you how to build a projector. So get one of these pieces and then get one of these with like these and two and put them on the sides and get one of these pieces and put it in the middle. This is one part. And now the second part. Get the same piece as this one and get a piece like this and put it like this and get two pieces like these and put them on the side, and this is another piece of your projector. And now this is the third piece, and get two of these, one with bumps and one with no bumps, and put them together. This is your third piece of your projector. Now I'll be showing you how to build the projector. So first, get this piece and get this piece and put the blank piece on one of the sides, and it doesn't matter. Then get the same long piece as the blank piece, just with bumps, and put it beside it, and then get a four one and put it here. And now you will need, and now get this piece and put it here. And now get one of these pieces, like this, and now get this piece, and this will be when it gets hot, so it could cool down. And now get like the biggest piece of all, and get this, and get one of these pieces and put the end of this piece into this hole, and get one of a circle piece, what isn't one like this with a light colour, just like golden or like of dark, and put it on the nose of the grey thingy, and then put it here. And now get this piece and put it on, here, and make off, and then get the blank pieces and put them on the top, and this light piece, put it here beside this, and there you go, like for light and switch, and it can be a switch. And then get a four piece, two blank pieces stuck together, and now put it here. And now get this piece and put it on a two piece with bumps and put it here. And now get this piece with a side piece and put the side piece on one of the ends and put it here. So like that. And now that piece and here, and oh my god, and this and this, oh my god, yep. And now the projector is finished, and you can do this, and it slides out, and there you go, voila.
Voila, what's that then?
And these are the slide things, where the slides inside, and then it shows them on a screen.
So what's that?
I don't know.
Okay. Good job.